Akiaria miaraho ya umuthi ari thingiraini wa iregi guku Nairobi hindi ya kwamukira riboti ya thabarĩ ya Kenya kuingira itari-ini ria mabũrũri maria mutongu thiini wa thi, President William Ruto athiĩte na mbere kuorota ikundi cia nyanake iria irathi na mbere guthoga thayu micemani-ini ya kiuteti.
People who've come to town, they've destroyed, burned down shops, destroyed people's property. And, you know, the conversation is, please, you know, these are our children. You know, these are our children, so we must listen to them.
Kumana na tharĩkĩra ya ica ikuhĩ muthenya wa gĩthurano kĩnini kĩa Olkalau kiumia kĩhĩtũku, Ruto nĩ athĩte honge ciothe cia ũgitĩri kũng'ethanĩra na kũhukia ikundi ici, akiuga bũrũri wathi na mbere ũguo ũkwerekera harĩa mũciĩ wa Khartoum bũrũri wa Sudan ũkinyĩte.
Our security agencies must do their job. Within the law, they must do their job and they must stop criminality. You know, that is how we are going to secure Kenya's future.
Ruto oho neugite arutwo othe thiini wa university nimegukorwo makiamukira marehi mothe ma mathomo thiini wa ugai mweru wa kigina kia mathomo ma university.
So going forward, any university, any student, so long as they have passed their exam and they have been placed in a college or a university, each one of them will get full funding for their higher education.
President Ruto oho ni orotete atongoria aria mararegana na mubango wa thirikari wa gukuria bũrũri, akiuga thirikari ni igithitie ciringi bilioni 2.7 niguo gukinyanĩria kiroto gia gukinya Singapore.
And I must speak specifically to the people sitting here and those outside here who are leaders. You know, the responsibility, friends. I know we have tried to give many explanations on why we haven't moved as we should or as we expected.
But I insist that the primary sector is the most durable way of underwriting long-term, sustainable and permanent movement into the first world.
Akiaria musemani-ini uyu nyabara wa Minister Thabarĩ nehoete andu magie no kirĩrĩria niguo tukinyire kiroto gia gukinya Singapore.
There is a sense of impatience because our demographics have changed dramatically. So we must then convert that impatience into a catalyst. It must become the driving force.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Chitakaraithi wa Jega.